Hey everyone, Aaron Blaise here, and I have some exciting news to share. Our first Beginners 2D Animation Bootcamp sold out faster than I ever imagined. The response has been incredible, and I am truly humbled by the enthusiasm and support from all of you. But because of this overwhelming demand, I am so thrilled to announce that we've added a second session of the Bootcamp happening August 14th through the 18th, 2025. This is another chance to join me for a 4-day hands-on workshop where I'll guide you through the fundamentals of hand-drawn animation, from your very first bouncing ball to exploring the beginnings of character animation. No prior experience? No problem. All you need is a passion for drawing and a desire to learn. Each student will have their own Wacom tablet running TV Paint, the very same software that I use professionally. We're going to provide breakfast and lunch each day, and your hotel stay is included. Plus, our hotel is located right in the heart of Orlando's attraction corridor, just minutes away from world-famous theme parks and entertainment. Throughout the weekend, I'll be right there with you, offering guidance, live demos, and answering all of your questions. On the final evening, we're going to come together for a celebratory dinner and a special screening of all of the work created during the weekend. I'll also be handing out certificates of completion to commemorate all of your achievement. Now, I understand that some of you may not require hotel accommodations. For those individuals, we have a very limited number of tickets available without the hotel stay included. However, just note that the full package offers the most seamless and immersive experience. So, if you missed out on the first session, don't worry. This is your opportunity to join me and be part of an unforgettable experience. Go on over and visit creatureartteacher.com/bootcamp for all of the details and to secure your spot now. I can't wait to see you, and let's put some beauty back into the world. Thanks.